Mega love shout out everyone, members and subscribers. Today I will show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail through Chat GPT. Actually, this is my first time, so I want to share it with you. This is one of the best way on how to make YouTube thumbnail through Chat GPT. Or some others they use Google Gemini, but I tried this one, so I will show you how to make it. Okay, we will go to our YouTube account, and then we will check the YouTube thumbnail we want to edit or to change. Yes, we're looking for that. Unboxing Honor 400 pre-order with gifts. We will try this one. That's it. Then we will do a screenshot. After we do a screenshot, we will edit the thumbnail. We will cut it. Then we will go to Chat GPT. We will upload the image or the screenshot we did. On the image we will see clean up image, remove the background, draw and annotate. So we will write what will ChatGPT will do to our thumbnail. Just look at it. We will try this. Can you remake this YouTube thumbnail? With green glowing title, and then send. Creating image. Oh, that's fast and easy. Then save, then go back to YouTube, to your account, and we will edit the thumbnail. There you have it. As you can see, we will try again some photo. We will edit some text. Can you put these words on the image? Jesus is great. Then arrow send. That's it. Then we will try again. We will remove the background of this image. And we will try to create more likely on the forest. That's easy. That's it. Then we will try again some other picture. I upload two pictures to combine them into one. Can you put the man inside the SD image? That was easy. That's it. Then you can save it. We will try again some image that we will use on Facebook Reels or for newsfeed. Can you make an image stating, please magbayad na lahat ng may utang sa akin? This is for Facebook news feeds, or it can be used for Reels. That's it. Then we will try again some image for thumbnail again. Can you make again a YouTube thumbnail? We will try another image. How to make an AI YouTube thumbnail through Chat GPT. And then you will write what kind of image, colors, what do you want with the text. Just write it. You can change the colors if you want, and the text, the bold text, the font. That's it. Again, we're finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about it. God bless everyone.